welcome back to Greg Pittman Drone and Tech. Today we have for you some TransTEC Easylights. It's a little kit I picked up off Amazon. They're about 25-30 bucks, something like that, and they're nice little kit. Show them to you there. They come in this nice little box, reusable. Nice little case that they come in. They're actually pretty bright. They are bright. They're a bright little light. Right here they are. They're about 2 inches long, about 1/2 inch wide, and 1/2 inch in tall. And they have 3 different flash modes on them. You get this little quick flash there. It's like a double quick flash. Then you get a solid quick flash, and then you get the slow flash, and then off. You don't have any on solid. There's just the 3 blinking modes and off on each one of the lights. They'll run for about 2 hours on a charge, and it takes about an hour to charge each light up. And the charging part of the lights is the downside, because you get one cable in here to charge with. One end goes into the light there, and then the other is a micro USB that you just plug a USB cable into there, micro USB, and charge them up. You also get in the box another, you get 6 of these little sticky pads to stick them on if you want to leave your lights on your drone. And then you get another charge cable. I guess that goes into a some kind of a whoop charger. I'm not sure what charger in that is there, but you get that with it too. So if you have that charger that you can use that second cable with, then you'd be uptown. What I use on the lights is I use the 3M dual lock right here, and that way I can use them on whichever drone I'm flying at the time, be it the Mini 2, the Mini, or the Air 2. They just snap on there with the dual lock. It's just pop them on there. They fit really good. Let me get that situated better. Just that quick. Just snap right on there. Like that. And you can see the drone really good with these lights. Now, I also use an Arc II by Firehouse, and I put it on the back like this instead of on top, because you can see your drone way off in the distance with the Arc II on the back mounted this way. So when you're down, you're looking at your screen and you're flying, and you look up to find your drone, you don't have to search the sky for it. The light instantly brings you right to your drone, and you can see it. And they're pretty bright lights. I'll just light them up, let you see what they look like on the drone real quick. And well, I didn't get the Firehouse on. There's Firehouse there, right there. And I know the camera's not going to do the lights justice, because they're brighter than what the camera is going to allow them to look. But anyway, you get the idea. That's the light setup that I use. and it just lights it up like a Christmas tree. And they just snap right off, and you go on about your business if you want them or don't want them. And it does not interfere with the drone folding up with the Firehouse on the bottom of the arm, or not Firehouse, the dual lock. I'm sorry, the dual lock on the bottom of the arm. You can just sits in there. You can fold it up and works out real good. But anyway, that's about all that I have for tonight. I will add in one little more tidbit here. I ordered this from Ms Cristy's on SD website, and this holds the Firehouse light, and it clips onto the bottom of the Mavic Mini or the Mini 2, either one. The light fits in there just like that, and because I have the double-sided dual lock on here, or the dual lock on here, it won't clip onto the drone with that dual lock on there, because it's a precision cut piece. But you get that off, and this just snaps on the bottom here like that, and it holds that Firehouse in here. I've got another Firehouse on order. It should be getting here in the next day or two, but that little bracket holds the drone real good. It's not going nowhere. It just snaps on and it snaps off just like that. It's a real nice little piece, and with your Firehouse on the bottom of your drone, you can actually see it out there a long way too. It would work just as well as putting it on the back. So what I'm hoping to do is being able to move my Firehouse from the back of the drone to underneath it, and then use the white light that I get from Easylights as my top anti-collision lights to be regular, or to meet regulations for night flight. Anyway, that's about all I have for tonight. And if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And until next time, I will catch you later. Bye.